11 p.m. I'm on the road and I'm adjusting the timing. I think I advanced it a lot too much and it's overheating now and it runs like shit. Of course I did it like without the lamp or anything because I just don't have one. Just wanted to check if it will get any better. It didn't. So now I've retarded it even more than it was before, and we'll see how it goes. And I'm on the road because I will be replacing the water pump. So taking away some timing didn't help much, but it was enough to arrive here without overheating. It was at the verge sometimes, but didn't overheat. Oil stayed at 90 degrees. So the main issue I had with this junk since I got it was overheating. So at first it was running cold all the time, and the first thing I checked was the thermostat, which simply wasn't there. So I bought it and replaced top and bottom rat hoses, flushed the system like 3 times, flushed the radiator at home because it was full of like sand and small stones, rust, some sludge, everything. So after that it overheated immediately. So I flushed it again and again and realized that there is no saving of the old radiator, so I bought the new one. And then I replaced all the hoses to heater cores, just 2 of them, one here and one here. Also this one was leaking, and after that flushed it maybe 2 more times. Then I had to also remove the heater valve from here because it was stuck. So I managed to fix it with a lot of heat, and it's not stuck anymore, just missing the linkage, but you can move it with your hand. And it still runs hot. So the last thing to replace really is the water pump, which we'll attempt now, and if it will be still running hot after that, then I don't know. This time I remembered about the new belt, and I bought the Riemann water pump. The new ones not possible to buy anymore, and because of that even the rebuilt water pump is super expensive. It's like over 100 euros, 450 zloty. And this, which is the rebuild kit, is 120 something zloty. It's like over 25 euros, and they don't even bother to put it in a box or a bag, because why would they? If you have no choice, you have to buy from them. Oh, but they gave me 2 gaskets. And they are different. One is really thin and the other one is really thick. Perfect. Okay, let's do this. I wanted to be cheap and reuse the coolant because I just filled with a new one when I did the front engine cover, but this doesn't look nor smell like coolant. So this must be still some, it smells a bit like vinegar. So it's, yeah, oh, it smells really bad. So it's still something I put there when I was flushing it, and after that I've put coolant here, like straight coolant, at least 2 times, so I don't know how it's still there, but it is. So it looks like I'm buying coolant again. Yet this doesn't look pink at all. How is this even possible, man? Imagine that I would actually finish it today, but this bolt is stuck. I heated it twice already and it's still stuck, and I don't want to put a lot of force. So I'm simply afraid that it will break, so I will heat it up a few more times and we'll see. Oh man, well, it's like always. It's out. I expected a lot more mess. This actually doesn't look bad in my standards, and the water pump also doesn't really look that bad. So I'm not sure if I will actually fix something today with replacing that. Most probably it will still overheat, and I've got no idea why. I will use this water pump I bought just to be sure, but I'm not happy with it. Like this, how it's called, this core or whatever, this should be in the bin a long time ago. Same with the rotor. Actually the water pump I took out looks much better than this one. Someone was there, it was replaced before, 100% sure, because one bolt is longer and it's 10.9 and the factory used 5.8 everywhere on the engine, and it spins very nice, it's not leaking, so I'm almost sure that wasn't the issue, which means there is still an issue and I need to find it, but I will put this one on just to be sure. Well, I was sure that my new belt is too short, but even without the belt it doesn't go in. They didn't file this safety pin or whatever it's called. They didn't file it enough. Highest quality rebuilt water pump. I'm really happy with it. I'm trying to burp the system. So far no leaks. I'm not sure if I fixed something, but it looks like I didn't break anything, so that's a success. So far the overheating stopped, so we went for a short drive to pick up some wood chips this time.